Hey, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and today we are going to tour this awesome $1.8 million gorgeous home in Fort Worth, Texas. And it is a luxury build, 1 year old. It also happens to have a gorgeous full home guest house with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. I cannot wait to show you this house. Let's go see. Okay, let's talk about this neighborhood, this area. This is Bella Crossing, and it is a Fort Worth address, but it's actually kind of in the Benbrook area. Benbrook is really such a great location because it really is only like 20 minutes to Fort Worth, and it's really close to Granbury and Aledo, which are also just some really great growing towns. Granbury is just so fun. It's kind of like a little vacation or retirement community on a lake. So it's really cool. It's also, Benbrook has a lake that is a Corps of Engineer lake, and it can, you can do paddleboarding and stuff like that. No motorboats, but there is fishing and paddleboarding and kayaking and stuff like that over at Benbrook Lake if you're an outdoors type. Lots of people take their bikes over there and ride as well. While Benbrook is really rapidly growing, I can't promise how long it will look like this. Right now, it looks like a very small town, and it's really, really quiet. Okay, here we have room for 4 cars, plus tons of parking spots, plus this porte-cochere, which is awesome. And I just want to give you a view of what it would be like coming home to your own space and with the door you would be coming in. Okay, so this entrance is through the laundry room. There is another entrance off of the other garage, as we'll see. Okay, so we're looking back over the kitchen. And then back here is kind of a butler's pantry with pantry behind those glass doors. It's so pretty. A half bath down here for guests. Hello. And then this huge mudroom goes into the 3-car garage. There's also a door back here that leads out to the guest house, or you can go through the backyard. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Okay, I have to mention that I skipped one of the bedrooms and bathrooms downstairs. Camera was messing up, and so I kind of had to do that. This big open space right here between the kitchen and the living room is a dining room, and there's wiring already established, so you can choose your own chandelier. There are also plans already drawn for a pool back here that would come with the sale of the house. This is the primary bedroom. I love the views and how contemporary this looks. Fireplace. Well, look at the primary bath. It's really nice too. Look how huge this shower is. It's so pretty. All right, it's got 2 closets. But there's one closet here. All right, this second huge closet has been left open for customization by the new buyer. Okay, let's head back out and go upstairs. You can also see across this hallway to the other bedroom straight across over there. Okay, now to quickly show you where we are about 20 minutes to Fort Worth, and then about 30 minutes over to the Stockyards. And then it's about 10 minutes down 377 to get to where like the Super Walmart is and the restaurants and all that kind of stuff. All right, game room. No one ever moved in upstairs, so it's never been used up here. It truly is almost brand new construction. We've got 3 full bedrooms up though, with bathrooms. Now there's also this huge kind of storage room that would make a great fitness room or a second office upstairs. Homeschool room, something like that would be great. Decent sized closets, even in the secondary bedrooms. I love that. Out here, we got some good views. I love that all of these lots are at least an acre. All right, we'll head back downstairs and go check out the guest house. Just next to this neighborhood, you can kind of see it outside of that window, is a new Discovery Land Company golf course and subdivision that's going to have starting homes at 2 and 3 million in that particular development. All right, we're going to go across the yard to the guest house, which is a full guest house with 2 bedrooms. It's really nice. There has been someone living in here. As you can see, it's fully furnished. Love the green cabinets. It's so cute. One of the bedrooms. I think this would be so great if you had a family member living with you, some grown kids, or if you just love to have guests. As we're going through this tour, I'd love you to think about comments that you could share about this property, what you love about it. Also, I'd love you to email me if you're interested in touring this house or even finding one similar to it. I'll go back through to the other bedroom. This one's a tad larger, so I guess I would say it's the primary. And then it has a bathroom. Closets are really nice size all the way along the back of that green cabinet. Okay, let's talk about these schools around here. Benbrook schools are rated a B, and this particular house is under 20 minutes to all of the great private schools in Fort Worth. So Country Day is probably the furthest at around 18 minutes. We got All Saints Episcopal is about 15. Trinity Valley and Southwest Christian are about 10 or 12 minutes away. It really is a fantastic location as far as getting places. Okay, what did you think? I love this gorgeous house. I love this neighborhood. All of the lots are huge, 1 to 2 acres. It's so beautiful. The hills, the views. There's also going to be Land Discovery Company golf course right over there. So I would love to show you this house in person. It is listed a little over 1.8 million. I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.